Well, look what we got in the mail today. I thought a wireless microphone would be handy, so I bought from Amazon Leereel 2-pack lavalier microphone, wireless for iPhone. The fun fact is, man, there are many of them, something like that. Also the pricing is the same and the functions are the same. I believe there's one manufacturer and just slaps different labels on it, and in the end they're all the same. Noise cancelling built in for the microphone, well, TVS mode, real-time monitoring, reverb effect, ultra-low latency, 3-level noise reduction, 20 meters wireless transmission. So let's unbox them. Okay. So this goes into the iOS device, iPhone, iPad, well, an older iPad. And we've got the two microphones to clip on, and they can be charged via USB-C and have a on button, you can see it there. Same goes for the second one. Well then, what else do we have in here? Thank you for purchasing it. Well, we will see how they perform. Manual, alright. And we've got some replaceable clips. USB-C cable for an earpiece. Alright. Looks nice. So you can use it like a headset, and of course a USB-C cable for the charging. This is one test. Please don't mind the bad hair day. This is the first test from the selfie camera. This is the second test from the rear camera. Okay, first test. It is now right here with the first mode. Second test right here, second mode. Third test right here in the third mode. Fourth test right here in the fourth mode. So now the conclusion. I can't give you one. The only thing I can say is I'll keep them. I'll definitely keep them. It's better than the normal the normal microphone, since when I'm going a little bit farther away from the camera, it's quite nice to have a microphone which is still attached to you and catches your voice right from where you are. So I'll definitely keep them, and I would say I would give it a thumbs up. A buying recommendation, but check yours out, because I'm pretty sure they're all the same, and maybe you can get them maybe even cheaper than for 30 bucks.